Perhaps driven by the amount of public interest after he was exposed by a civil society organization and denounced by his secretariat, Philip Kinisu was a no-show yet again at a key function that had him listed as a speaker, a role he bestowed upon one of his commissioners. Kinisu is under investigations following claims of conflict of interest arising from his dealings with the government, specifically the National Youth Service, which he should be investigating. He is said to have done business worth hundreds of millions. He's also accused of colluding with the National Youth Service officers to defraud, that aside from allegedly not delivering orders and inflating prices.
The Commission is working with the county governments to develop leadership and integrity codes for state officers, both in the county executive committees that include the governors and the county assemblies.
The Ethics and Anti-Corruption Commission released a survey that involved 4,965 county employees and 33 key informants that showed bribery, favoritism, and procurement irregularity are the worst forms of corruption in the counties.
Other cases reported were abuse of office, conflict of interest, misuse of public resources, and delays in service delivery, discrimination, forgery, and falsification of documents within the county by the public officers.
The survey conducted between April and June also grouped counties according to the most prevalent corruption and in what areas. It also revealed the cost of corruption in counties with roads and public works construction processes attracting bribes of up to 150,000 shillings, housing and building services an average of 113,000 shillings, recruitment process 107,059 shillings, while parking services attracts the least bribes at an average of 1,900 shillings.
When public officers were asked why they engage in corruption, they reported that they do so because of greed for quick wealth.
But there are also challenges encountered in fighting corruption, which includes fear of victimization, lack of proper structures to fight corruption, perception of corruption as way of life, and lack of public awareness.
The survey is basically to inform us and help us in moving towards a better future. It's not to pinpoint any problem or victimize any institution.
Some of the recommendations made include developing and implementing anti-bribery compliance policy, enhancing public participation in budgeting and implementation, ensuring transparency and accountability, among others. The survey did not mention the most corrupt county, neither did it make a finding on how much money is lost in the counties as a result of the corrupt activities. Ken Mijungu, NTV.